Here's the boy Chiranjeev, and today I will tell you about top 7 best YouTube channels to learn graphic designing from basic beginner level to an advanced level. Before going further, let me tell you one thing, that this list of channels are in random order. Like the channel which is at number 1 is not like the best channel, or at the last is not the worst channel. They all have equal importance and will prioritize according to your level. So without further delay, let's get straight to the point. The channel name is Vector Slate, and this YouTube channel focuses on graphic design tutorials for Adobe Illustrator, which covers everything from basics of Illustrator to advanced techniques, and it's perfect for anyone to improve their Illustrator skills. This channel, Yes I Am Designer. This is one of the best to learn Adobe XD and has great Photoshop tutorials which are trendy and explained in a very clean and nice manner. I loved this channel because it really helped me to learn Adobe XD, and it has covered very vast topic also. Desgining. This YouTube channel focuses on graphic designing tutorials, tips and tricks. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced level graphic designer, Desgining's videos are sure to improve your skills and keep you up to date with the latest design trends. He makes many trendy topics. Factorial graphics. This focuses on providing in-depth tutorials for graphic designing softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator and InDesign. And with easy to follow tutorials, it's best graphic designing learning channel for beginners and also for advanced designers who want to learn, and uploads very trendy topics and latest videos. Graphic Design with Elena. This is the best learning channel for Adobe Illustrator, which covers latest topics in graphic designing fields and makes short duration videos so that you can watch the perfect type of thing you want to. Like you have to learn just one topic, not the whole Illustrator, so you can use this channel, and I have also learned many things from this channel. Spoon Graphics. This channel focuses on tutorials and tips for Adobe Photoshop. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced designer, this channel is best for you to start from very basic beginner level to an advanced level of graphic designing. Innovator Tuts Plus. This is my one of the favorite channels who has covered a wide range of tutorials for graphic designers from very basic to an advanced level in Photoshop, Illustrator, XD, ID, and has done many videos on logo designing, Illustrator branding and etc. And that's it for our top 7 YouTube channels to learn graphic designing. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any other suggestion for great graphic design channels, please drop it in the comments below so that others can also find it useful.